Here's an easy way to install this cheap LED light bar as a headlight on your dirt bike with a switch mounted on the handlebar. Here's how to do it. But before we even get started, let's see what those results look like. Man, that is bright. First step is to remove the number plate. So now with the number plate removed, we're going to drill a hole right underneath the mounting hole for the number plate. And put a piece of green tape on here just so my pencil mark shows up. And we'll center it just under that mounting hole. There we go. A 5/16 drill bit is the perfect size for the mounting screw for the bracket. So after we test fit our bracket inside of the hole we just drilled, we're going to make a small mark right next to it for the hole for the wire to this go through. This wire, a 1/4 inch drill bit will fit that wire perfectly. So after removing the tape, we have the larger hole for our mounting screw in our bracket, and we have the smaller hole for the wire to go through. So we'll feed them both through now. And then we put on our mounting screws from the light to the bracket. Getting these tiny little bracket screws in the bracket and the light can be a little challenging. There we go. So the next step is to mount our switch. We're going to mount this on the handlebars right next to our kill switch on our left grip. So we're going to mount it right there, and then we're going to run the wire along where the factory kill switch wire is down here behind our number plate. Just need to crimp on some of these connectors so that if we need to remove the number plate at any time, we can. So I just popped the tank off real quick and ran these two wires along the frame here and then down here to my battery box. Oops. So I can do my last connection. I already got the positive hooked up. I'm just making the final negative connection right here. All right, that's the final connection. So if you're curious how this is wired up, it's pretty simple. From the light, we have the negative and the positive coming out. You can run the negative directly to the battery, and that's what we did by running it down the frame to the battery. And then you can run the positive to the switch, which is what we did. We did that earlier. So coming from this switch, we have hooked to the positive of the light. And then the other wire coming off the switch goes down and completes the circuit to the battery at the positive. So that's exactly what we did. We hooked the second wire coming from the switch down the frame into the battery. Well, let's see if it works. And it works. Let's put the bike back together and try it at night. awesome. Look how bright this thing is. This thing really lights up the night. So this project turned out really well. I mean, I got 2 of these lights for $14 on Amazon, and the switch was another $6 or $7. I mean, you can't beat that. It was easy to do. I did it in just a couple hours in one evening, and it looks pretty good too. Lights up the night very well. Good luck.